Ooh, just hold on, mate, sorry. Whoa, 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 Buzz. Gotta get your winch out first. Yeah, that's it, Buzz. Go backwards so I can get it out. I'm gonna fill those holes up with rocks. All right, away you go.
What the bloody hell has he done? I'm going to make coffee, leave you with it.
Gotcha. Beautiful.
Like a glove.
Nice work, mate.
Roll, mate. Just do our work.
All just a day in the job of cameraman, all for adventure.
Itchy grass, mate. That's how we roll.
Next time, the team follow an amazing history trail.
Gonna pinpoint where he stood back in 1802.
They do get slightly
I
sidetracked.
just saw a barra. There's no barra fishing. We're following Flinders' footsteps.
Yeah, baby.
Thousands of years and multiple cultures come together at this one spot.
How cool's that?
They just don't appear like that,
No,
eh?
hell no.
Join them for the adventure.